In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram not allowing you to comment. So first thing you need to know is that it could be because you're spamming comments. So if you were spamming comments, then Instagram will not allow you to comment, and you have to wait 1 or 2 days for you to be able to comment again. So stop spamming, and this should fix your issue. But if this hasn't fixed your issue, then you could be because you are actually commenting sketchy links in Instagram. So if you were commenting any sketchy links that try to deceive people or scam them, then it could be the reason Instagram has stopped you from commenting. So simply pause and completely stop from posting and commenting any sketchy links, and this could solve your issue. And if that didn't solve your issue, then what you can do is you can go to your Instagram homepage and click at the top right and scroll all the way down, and here you will see help. Over here, click on help, and here you will be able to report the problem. So click report a problem, click report problem without shaking, and then include and continue. And here you will be able to report your issue, include screenshots or images, write a brief explanation as it says here, and send your report, and Instagram will help you solve this issue. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.